Ashwagandha is one of the most important herb in Ayurveda, which is the Indian system of alternative medicine. Ashwagandha in Sanskrit means smell of the horse, which not only refer to the scent of this herb but also to its ability to improve strength, stamina, and concentration. Ashwagandha has many health benefits for both men and women, such as it improves sleep, reduces stress, boosts testosterone, and more. If you do not want to miss any, watch the video to the end. Number 1. Help reduce stress and anxiety. Ashwagandha, which is also known as Indian ginseng or winter cherry, is considered as an adaptogen, which is a substance that helps to manage stress and anxiety. According to a study published by Public Library of Science, people who took 300 to 500 mg of ashwagandha daily for 2 months had lower level of anxiety, stress, fatigue, and depression. In another study, adults who took 300 mg of ashwagandha for 2 months had less stress, better sleep, and fewer stress-related food cravings. Number 2. It improves sleep. Many people across the world take ashwagandha to promote quality sleep, and some evidence suggests the same. For example, one study in humans showed taking 300 mg of this herb 2 times a day improves sleep. Another study on animals found that triethylene glycol in ashwagandha promote better sleep. If you are looking at ashwagandha for quality sleep, you should consume more than 600 mg of ashwagandha for 2 months, and then you get some benefits of these herbs for quality sleep. Number 3. Improve strength and stamina. Many studies show that ashwagandha can boost stamina during physical activity by sharpening brain function and reduce body pain. Researchers also found that ashwagandha has calming effects on the brain, which ultimately helps to improve concentration, motivation, and stamina. To get benefits of strength and stamina from ashwagandha, you should consume at least 600 to 1200 mg of ashwagandha in powder form. Number 4. Improve testosterone level and fertility. In some studies, it is found that ashwagandha supplement may improve testosterone level and male fertility. According to a study published in Biomed, taking 300 mg of ashwagandha root extract 2 times in a day for 2 months significantly improved male fertility. Another study of 2010 published in Fertility and Sterility found that ashwagandha root extract was able to improve testosterone level, quality of sperm, and quantity of sperm. Number 5. It is good for memory. Emotional, physical, and chemical stress can have damaging effect on the brain and nervous system. Recent research shows that ashwagandha is more than a stress reliever. It also protects the brain from cell degeneration, which can lead to neurodegenerative disease like Alzheimer and Parkinson, which have currently no cure. One of the main reasons it is so effective at healing brain is because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which are the reason behind major problems in our body, including aging. 2 types of steroids are found in ashwagandha, which are well known to improve memory and other brain functions. Number 6. Help fight cancer. Research suggests that ashwagandha has promising anti-tumor effects, which help to reduce tumor cell growth and may also work to prevent cancer from growing. The extract of ashwagandha have been shown to help inhibit the proliferation of cancer cells, specifically breast, lung, stomach, and colon cells, which are among the leading type of cancers in the world. The decreased count of white blood cells in the body after chemotherapy is a major concern because it puts cancer patients at a much higher risk of health issues like contact with infections. This is why ashwagandha may serve as an addition to general cancer treatment. Number 7. Reduce blood sugar level. Ashwagandha have been found for its anti-diabetic effects, which are possible because of the presence of phenolic compounds in ashwagandha, including flavonoids. A study on rats found that both root and leaf extract of ashwagandha help achieve normal blood sugar levels in diabetic rats. Another animal study published in Reports of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology found that when ashwagandha given to rats, there is a decrease in glucose level and inflammation. Number 8. Reduce inflammation. Ashwagandha contain compounds, including vidofrin A, that may help reduce inflammation in the body. There are some evidence that suggest ashwagandha may help reduce inflammation in animals as well as in humans. In one study from 2008, adults who experienced stress took ashwagandha extract for 60 days, and in result they found lower levels of inflammation. Number 9. Boost immunity. Because ashwagandha works as an adaptogen that can reduce the body stress hormone, it can help boost your immune system by reducing inflammation. Now let's discuss who should avoid ashwagandha. Number 1. Pregnant women. Pregnant women should avoid ashwagandha because it may cause pregnancy loss if consumed in large quantities. Number 2. People with stomach ulcer. Treatment with ashwagandha supplement may cause mild to moderate stomach irritation. Adults with stomach ulcer should avoid taking ashwagandha as this supplement may increase symptoms associated with this health condition. Number 3. People with autoimmune disorder. Adults with any type of autoimmune disorder such as rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis should not take this supplement supplement. Number 4. People with scheduled surgery. Number 5. If you are taking certain medication. Ashwagandha should be avoided with certain medication such as prednisone and cyclosporine.